Hi everyone, happy Palm Sunday. Hope you and your family are having a great weekend. A lot of you have already done the Calico genetics worksheet, but for those of you who were absent before spring break and missed it, or those of you who want a review in case you can't remember exactly what to do, knowing that you'll need to do this on your test, I thought I'd go ahead and put out an instruction video. So, attached to the lesson plans for today is X-linked genetics in the Calico cat. So Calico is a particular coat color found only in cats and only in female cats. The only way that a male cat could be Calico is if his sex chromosomes are XXY. In other words, he has an extra X chromosome. Okay? Calicos are a combination of black and orange coat color, but they also have from another gene elsewhere in the body, they have this white piebald characteristic. What's truly happening with Calico is just the black and orange. And a black and orange cat is a female called a tortoiseshell. To be Calico, you also have to have the white piebald gene. We're going to deal with the black and orange only. Okay, it's sex-linked, so males do not carry the trait for black or orange fur color. It's codominant, so both traits are expressed. Okay, so a capital B represents the black allele, a capital R represents the orange allele, and capital B, capital R is the Calico mix. So we're going to work Punnett squares with genotypes to find the phenotypes. Here in the instructions it tells us female cats can be black, XBXB, and notice we're using an X because we always use an X, excuse me, we always use an X to represent the female sex chromosome. Doesn't matter what kind of organism, if it's a female chromosome, it's an X. XR is orange, Calico cats, XB, That's how you write the female genotypes. Male cats' genotypes can be XBY or XRY. Clearly, there are a lot of cats that aren't black or orange, so there's more going on here. We're only focusing on black and orange alleles. So you're instructed to show the crosses below. So that means you have to show your Punnett squares. And then you have to write out the phenotypic ratios for the offspring. And we'll just split females from males when we write phenotypes. So remember how to do this. So we have a Punnett square, which basically just looks like a tic-tac-toe square. I'd like to put the male across the top like we did when we were learning about Mendel, the female on the side. You never use the upper left-hand corner. We're told in our first cross that we have a black male crossed with an orange female. So here's our male chromosomes, XY, and we're told that he's black. So his X chromosome carries a gene for color, but the Y doesn't. It's left alone. Here's your female. She's XX, and she is orange, so she carries the R alleles. Half of the offspring will be female, according to the Punnett square, and half will be male. And just remember, this is all about ratios and probability. There could be no males in a litter, or no females, or some split that isn't 50-50. Now you bring in your alleles for color. Because they put B before R, I want you to do the same thing. So this female offspring is XB-XR. We have a Calico. This male offspring is XRY. He's orange. This female, XB-XR, and this male, XRY. Now, how do we write these as phenotypes? Because after doing this work, you also need to write out what do the cats look like and what's their sex. So all of the females, 100% of the female cats, and you're welcome to use Linnaeus' symbol, are going to be calico. And that's in a ratio to what do all of the male offspring look like. Again, 100% male orange, or orange males. Okay, and there you go, you got it. You just do the same thing on the next 4 problems. If you're stuck, you go back, you check the alleles, the genotypes that are given up here. And when you get to number 5, it asks, if you're a cat breeder, what type of parents would you cross to get the most number of calico kittens? Just use what you've been given and give me a complete sentence, please. So use only the problem. You don't have to think outside the box. Just look at the 5 problems you worked and pick one, or the one, that gives you the largest percentage of little female calico cats. Okay, hope y'all have a great week. Bye.